Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create, compile, and run Java programs on Windows. On a separate video, we will introduce how to create, compile, and run Java programs on Mac. In the preceding video, you learned how to write a simple Java program. When you write a Java program, you need to store the program in a file. On Windows, you can use Notepad or using the Notepad to edit your Java program and store it as a text file. Now let's look at using Notepad. From your Windows, open a command prompt. I'm going to change it to my book directory. And now I'm going to use Notepad to open this file, welcome.java. This file is going to store my program, and the program is Java class. The class name is welcome. The class name has to be the same as the file name. And the extension of the file name for the Java program is .java. You can start from scratch and type and enter this content, make changes, and save it. So I'm going to save this file. And now I'm going to go back to compile it. So this file is called a source file. Is where you write your Java code. Computer does not understand your source file. You need to have this compiler to convert this source code file into the Java bytecode file. And this is now, you're going to invoke this compiler. It's Java C. Let's first check this Java C. Now, we're going to see if you have this Java C. Type in this command, Java C space dash version. I have this version is 1.8, and this is sufficient. You need at least 1.8. If it's not a 1.8, or if you don't have Java C, you have to go to install it. And this is the information for you to look at it. It is the supplement I.A installing and configuring JDK. From this supplement, and you get the information how to install JDK and then configure it. So to configure it is to make it available on your environment. You can use the command Java C. We have Java C now. It is to compile now. It's Java C welcome.java. So please, you have to type the complete file name, welcome.java. It is successfully compiled. Let's check this welcome. Now you see I have welcome.class was just created. This is the class file. The class file contains the Java bytecode. Bytecode can be executed by the Java interpreter. You can take a look of this welcome.class, type in this command, type space welcome.class. You're gonna see this is unreadable. So this is just a bytecode. It has special meaning to the Java interpreter. Java interpreter is going to take this code, execute it. To invoke the Java interpreter, it is Java. The command is Java. So look, the command of Java C is to compile. The command of Java is to run. And Java and welcome. Look, all this are case sensitive. So you have to type it this way. Java space uppercase W for welcome. And now, don't type .class, just welcome when you run the bytecode. And this is the result from the execution. Now, let's look at the overview for this process. You start by creating a source code file, and you can modify it. And this is the source code file now saved on the disk. And now you can compile it using the command Java C to compile it. And the result of the compilation, if it's correct, no errors, you get the bytecode. If there's errors, you go back to modify the source code and compile it again. So until you have this bytecode, this is the bytecode. It looks like this. Those are the instructions to the Java interpreter for how to execute your program. And now run the bytecode using the Java command and to run it. And here is the result. And this is to display welcome to Java on the console. If there's any error during the execution, and you can go back to the source code to fix it. So this development is the process, is the cycle. And to create and modify the source code, compile and run, and fix the errors, compile and run. You can port a source program to any machine with appropriate compiler. You write your program, the same program, it can run on any kind of machine. For the Java, all you need is the bytecode file. The bytecode file can be ported. So you compile your Java code on one machine, the result is the .class file and is the bytecode file. The bytecode file can be ported to any system. In the Java virtual machine, this is the virtual machine. On every platform, you'll have a different Java virtual machine. The virtual machine serves as interface and to work with your bytecode on any specific machine. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.